Imagine a place where the air is filled with the rich, intoxicating aroma of coffee. This is Nekemte, a gem found in the heart of Ethiopia, hailed for its dynamic coffee culture. Amidst magnificent landscapes, Nekemte is a haven for coffee lovers and connoisseurs. Its fertile soil, perfect elevation and distinctive microclimate blend to create flawless conditions for growing unparalleled Arabica coffee beans. The region's unique geographical attributes bring forth coffee that's exceptional in taste and aroma. Here, the journey of coffee starts amidst verdant fields bathed in sunshine and caressed by crisp, fresh air. The plants are tended to with utmost care and dedication, perfectly embodying the region's love for this beverage. The local communities, heirs of centuries-old coffee, treat these groves as sacred, nurturing them with reverence and devotion. Their dedication and hard work are in every bean that grows here, resulting in a coffee that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. The coffee's journey begins in these lush green fields, where the plants are tended with meticulous care by local communities that have revered and nurtured these coffee groves for generations. The coffee cherries ripen under the gentle shade of the surrounding forests, absorbing the nurturing, rich essence that flows from the heavens in the form of a ceaseless shower. Each droplet of rain that lands on them is a gift, a blessing from the sky above, infusing them with the purest form of life and energy. The Nekemte region, known for its abundant rainfall, provides an ideal environment for these cherries to flourish. As they mature, they take on a vibrant hue, a visual manifestation of their peak ripeness. It is at this precise moment that the Nekemte people, stewards of this mesmerizing spectacle, step in. With a dedication and commitment imbued through generations, they extend their hands to pluck the cherries with utmost care. The meticulousness of their actions is a living tribute, a testament to the deep-rooted tradition and expertise of the Nekemte people. Once harvested, the coffee cherries enter a detailed multi-step process. In this process, every single cherry is subjected to a thorough washing technique using clear spring water. Then they are left to naturally dry under the warm rays of the Ethiopian sun. After drying, each coffee cherry is meticulously sorted by hand, guaranteeing an unyielding promise to deliver only the best. This scrupulous process, performed by the dedicated hands of our seasoned workers, reflects our relentless drive for excellence. This painstaking process ensures that only the very finest beans bear the name of Nekemte. The result is a coffee of unparalleled quality. Nestled in the highlands of Ethiopia, Nekemte coffee beans are a treasure for connoisseurs. Known for their distinct, unique flavor profile, they are a beverage lover's delight. A single sip of this magical potion reveals a harmonious balance of dazzling acidity, paired with enchanting floral aromas. These aromatic scents blend seamlessly, accentuating the nuanced fruity notes that awaken your senses. This fascinating blend of taste and aroma is beyond compare. This exceptional taste is not a mirror but is indeed a reflection of the region's unique climatic conditions. These conditions, in combination with the painstaking care and dedication taken during the rigorous cultivation process, contribute to its exquisite taste. This exceptional taste is a reflection of the region's specific climatic conditions and the meticulous care taken during the cultivation process. Whether savored as a single-origin pour-over or as part of a specialty blend, Nekemte coffee offers a captivating taste experience. Originating from Ethiopia's highland region, Nekemte coffee's unique taste comes from the rich volcanic soil where the coffee cherries grow. It lends itself to a delightful harmony of flavors, ranging from sweet berry-like notes to hints of rich chocolate. Plus, its smooth finish complements the complex taste profile, creating a perfect balance on the palate. For these reasons, its complex flavors and smooth finish have made it a beloved choice among coffee enthusiasts and connoisseurs worldwide. Originating in the lush green fields of Nekemte, the tale of Nekemte coffee is an extraordinary narrative that winds through time and space to the mugs of coffee enthusiasts worldwide. It's a journey deeply rooted in the fertile soils of Nekemte, a place where coffee cultivation is not just a livelihood, but a way of life. The magnificent journey of Nekemte coffee is not just about tracing the path of a coffee bean from its native land to the global stage. It is a testament to the region's rich history and its remarkable contributions to the world of coffee. Nekemte coffee production is a labor-intensive process, a fascinating blend of traditional methods and innovative practices, down through generations. The process begins with the careful selection of the ripest coffee cherries, which are then meticulously hand-picked. Once harvested, The beans are naturally processed, using age-old techniques, ensuring each bean retains its unique flavor profile. The journey of Nekemte coffee is a symbol of tradition, embodying generations of knowledge, perseverance, and passion for excellence. It's a captivating tale that serves as a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship of the farmers and relentless pursuit of quality. Their labor and love manifest in the deep, rich flavors of each cup of coffee. With every sip, we are invited to engage with the age-old traditions, tireless efforts, and rich, vibrant flavors that define the essence of Nekemte. The next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought those rich flavors to your